I'm here with Alan Taylor with a company called Rapid Composites, and they have created a UAV that has won some awards because, I mean, this is like a high-end military-grade type UAV, you know, not like some of the toys that are out there. But rather than me explaining it, I'm going to turn the mic over to Alan and let him explain how their product is significantly different from a lot of the commercial UAVs out there. Alan?
Thanks, sir. Again, my name's Alan Taylor. I'm the president of Rapid Composites. I'm the manufacturer here of this drone system called the Bullray. The Bullray recently won the largest award in the composites industry. It's the JEC Composites Award 2015, JEC Innovation Award. It was in Paris, France in March. We won the entire UAV category for the way that this drone was manufactured, as well as all of the features and for the voids in which it fills within the industry. So this particular drone is amphibious. It can land anywhere, take off from anywhere. It's made out of a quasi-isotropic carbon fiber. It's a 3D carbon fiber. It's very structural. There's no other drone on the market to this day that is manufactured using the same materials or the same process. It's extremely rugged. This drone is designed to be shoulder slingable, man-portable, as I mentioned, amphibious. It also has 3 Picatinny rails. It's the only drone on the market right now with Picatinny rails for mounting any kind of weapon implement. So one of the implements that you'll see on this, on both of these drones here, is a FNH 303 less than lethal launcher. It's a kinetic energy device. It's been on the market for about 11 years. It's operated currently. It's operated in a handheld form by law enforcement all over the world. This is actually the projectile that it fires. It has bismuth in the tip. It's polycarbonate encased with bismuth at the tip and a pink dye pack at the tail. This one round this weapon is capable of incapacitating a suspect with 1 round. It carries 15 rounds. We have an absolute targeting device we're not showing today. We have some patent work that's being done on it that allows it to be fired extremely accurate at about 75 meters, 50 to 75 meters, and we factory set it to deal with the parallax. This drone can also be used for ISR type applications. So that's probably the biggest application for it right now. It's currently equipped with a daytime color and also a FLIR TOW system right now. And it can be operated in a marine environment, landed in the water. It can take off from the water. The entire fuselage is IP67. All of the connections, all of the buttons on this drone are IP68 actually. They exceed even the rating of the fuselage. It's capable of being fully submerged. The entire fuselage is sealed at only one point. There's only one area that matters with a gasket, and there's a perimeter gasket around the upper fuselage and the lower hull section of it. So it's extremely easy to seal. It's a substantial gasket. This is more not only is it more rugged, but it's also more waterproof than any other drone in its class on the market right now. It also can be configured depending on the payload, depending on the ISR payload or the launcher payload that you put on this aircraft. We can configure it with a lift capability, a payload capability of 15 pounds. So very substantial payload capability, and the way we do that is, you can see right now we're in a tricopter configuration, but just by adding 2 booms back here to these boom mounts, we can configure it into a quad rotor and forego the tail. Or we can leave the tail and have a pentacopter version as you see right here. We can also, we're working on right now a hexacopter version that will be complete with the swash plate at the tail. So it offers also maneuverability that no other drone in its class is capable of right now. This is an aircraft that does not lose altitude during a cyclic or rotation type of maneuver. So all it does is kicks the swash plate at the tail, which I will demonstrate right here. It has a full range of motion right here at the tail. And without changing RPM on any of the rotors, we can kick the swash plate just a few degrees and it'll swing the tail one direction or another. So that gives us directional control on the asymmetric configurations of this aircraft. So, as I mentioned, it has 3 Picatinny rails. We also have other implements, again, that can be used for ISR type applications, such as lighting systems, disruptors, laser disruptors, and so on. We can even equip it with a LiDAR system. I'll demonstrate right here, if you'd like to hold the microphone for a second. I'll demonstrate just how easy it is. So the launcher's been removed right now. This is the 303 launcher system right here. And this is a 303 launcher system here, as you can see. And so I'm removing that. And there's an adapter plate that you'll see right here on the bottom of the aircraft. That can be removed, and it reveals a single Picatinny rail right here on the bottom of the hull. So that allows you to very easily, very quickly, just as easily as I'll demonstrate right here, removal of this light right there, that Surefire light, just as easy as that can be removed, we can add or subtract different sensor payloads from the belly of it. So this is a patent pending feature in this design. There's numerous pieces of IP of significance that were developed along the way as we develop this product from the ground up in-house at Rapid Composites. Rapid Composites has been well known within the special operations community for 16 years now. I started the company in '99, and we specialize in making extremely rugged, tactical, durable, man-portable products for the military, and we do it extremely fast, efficiently, and economically. All of the fuselage components that you see here, we produce in 5 minutes. So we are one of the fastest composite molders in the world. We're hands down the fastest at producing these fuselages in the UAS industry. And that was the biggest reason for the JEC award in Paris in March. We also have several unique heat sink technologies in this aircraft as well. We utilize pitch fiber materials, which can be, the fiber itself can be up to 900 watts per meter K, which is more than twice the conductivity of copper. And we utilize that throughout the airframe and in specialized heat sink components like this airfoil heat sink that you can see right here, made in a similar manner. This is a brand new product of ours, made from pitch fiber. It's lighter than aluminum. It has about 4x better dissipative properties than aluminum. And it's made in this example, it's made into an aerodynamic blade fin. So you can put this on the outside of a fuselage and pipe your heat from hot components that may not be waterproof from the inside of a fuselage to the outside, and put this in a prop wash. So put this in an area where you have airflow that you're generating anyway, just to generate lift. So these are the kinds of things that we're well known for, and we'd love an opportunity to quote other projects for you, as well as custom variations of our UAS here. So commercial products in the form of this drone could range for just ISR applications, let's say private security applications within the oil industry, like a oil tanker or an oil rig security type application, for instance. They would be anywhere from about $50,000 to get one flying with basic daytime sensors to about $250,000 with very sophisticated sensors. So we can incorporate shortwave or longwave FLIR sensors, LiDAR, quite a wide array of different sensor packages, jamming devices, disruptor devices, target illumination devices. All of those can be incorporated within our UAS aircraft. So depending on those configurations, that's what drives the price. In a commercial application, this aircraft is capable of 2 to 7 miles right now, very easily. We're utilizing the AvAero controller system, which is it's based on a Panasonic tough pad, very easy to operate. It has wobble keys integrated right into it. For armed forces applications, we can utilize the TCCR module for Boeing, and that puts it on the Harris radio network, and that gives you a 160-mile range through RF, but it's only available to armed services through Boeing, and it's a 1-pound module, and we're one of the only UASs in this class, in this size range, capable of carrying the TCCR module payload.